Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Bengali New Year makeup tutorial and I am collabing with three beautiful ladies, Asmiri, Shanaz, and Linda. I'm so excited to be doing this collab with them. They created really beautiful looks, so please go check them out. I'm going to link all their videos in the description, and if you want to see how I got my look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with moisturizer. I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Face Visage something. It's a fancy name, but it's a really great moisturizer, and it adds like a really nice glow to my face, and it's super thick, which I love in moisturizers. And then I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in Tawny, and I'm going to blend that with the Fenty Beauty sponge. And I know it looks a little bit light, but it's really not. My face is a little bit darker than my neck right now, but as you can see, it matches. So I'm just applying that all over. It's a really light moisturizer, and it just feels really lightweight. Just kind of evens out your skin without, obviously it's not going to be that much coverage because it's a moisturizer, but I've been loving it. And then I'm going to apply Bareminerals Barepro Concealer, and my under eyes definitely need a little bit of concealing, so this is awesome. So I just apply a thin layer under my eyes, and then my chin, down the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, and then I'm gonna let it sit for like 15 seconds so it kind of dries halfway, and then I blend it out with the same Fenty Beauty sponge. This actually helps to give it more coverage. This concealer itself is really great. It's very thick, so it does have a lot of coverage already, but I want even more coverage under my eyes in those like areas. And this way, because I use the tinted moisturizer and the combination of a heavy full coverage concealer, just gives like your face a very not cakey look. I'm going to set that with the WetnWild Contour Duo, just taking the setting side and just applying this under my eyes, and just every part that I concealed. And I'm using my e.l.f. tapered brush, which I usually always use. And then I'm taking the Bareminerals Contour Trio. I'm going to take the blend and contour side, and I like to first contour to just like add definition to my cheekbones. Then I use the blend side, which is a little bit warmer, and just this kind of helps to blend it all together, appropriately named. For the rest of my face, I'm using the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I'm taking Pink Sand, which is a really beautiful warm pink color, and I'm applying this to the apples of my cheeks with the Real Techniques blush brush. I absolutely love this palette. It's probably my favorite collection from Too Faced so far. And then I'm taking Satin Sheets, which is like such a gorgeous gold and like pinky shimmery highlight. It's just beautiful. It's hard to describe, but I absolutely love this. Then I'm just setting my eyelids a little bit so that I can apply eyeshadow later. Before that, I'm just doing my brows. I'm just filling them in with my Ardell Brow Kit. For eyeshadow, I'm using the WetnWild palette. This is like the updated Color Icon palette. So I'm taking the transition color and just applying this with my BH Cosmetics blending brush to the crease. And then I'm taking the matte orange color. I'm just going to apply this with my Sigma E25 brush, and I'm just really building up that color. And layering colors and really packing it on just helps the eyeshadow to stay on for a really long time. So I love doing that, even though this eyeshadow palette is pigmented already. And then I'm taking the dark brown and applying this to my outer V and halfway on my upper lash line, just to create like a kind of a cat eye shape. And then I'm just going to blend that all together with my BH Cosmetics blending brush. I'm just going to apply the gold shimmer color in the rest of my eyelid. This is such a beautiful color. I can't describe it. It's like orange and copper and gold. It's just so beautiful. Honestly, the video doesn't do it justice. It looks even better in person. And then I'm taking the same matte colors I used on my upper lid. I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. I'm going to take that orange and apply it along my lash line with a very thin brush, a smudge brush. And then I'm taking the brown color and applying that to the outer part. And this kind of opens up your eye, especially with the combination of a shimmer in the inner half of your eye and no liner in the waterline. And then I'm just going to do a winged eyeliner with my WetnWild Mega Liner. Then I'm going to apply some mascara. This is L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. The first lip, I'm actually using Anastasia Beverly Hills Ashton. This is for anybody who really likes a more muted, neutral look. This is like a perfect nude color. So I applied that, added a deep and jewelry that I got from Amazon, I believe. I'll link it below, but this is a more simple look. And this is for anyone who likes something more vibrant and traditional. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint and just cleaning it up with a brush and some concealer. And then I'm going to spray some Fix Plus, and I added a necklace. That's it. And a flower in my hair. Just a few simple steps, and it really transforms the look. It amps it up a lot, I feel, and it's just very traditional Bengali look. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please go check out the other girls in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.